everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to crochet a mini cone stitch. Now here on my channel, and I'll try to link it in the cards up above, you'll find a video tutorial for the cone stitch, and I've named this one the mini cone stitch because it looks quite similar to it. It's the same on the front as it is on the back, although it is worked slightly differently than our regular cone stitch. This is our mini, and today in the tutorial I'll be using a 100% worsted weight cotton yarn. This is the Pima Cotton by Lion brand, as well as a 5mm or an H8 crochet hook. Links to these items can be found in the description down below. Also in that description you'll find a direct link to the free written instructions, which is on my website at richtexturescrochet.com. So thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you to subscribe, take a look around. This channel is updated every single week with free crochet patterns and stitch tutorials. Let's grab our hooks and yarn and get started. Now our stitch today is worked in rows, so we're going to start by making a slip knot and then by working a foundation chain. Your foundation chain today will need to be a multiple of 3 stitches plus 2. Today I'm going to chain 23 stitches. That's 21, which is my multiple of 3, 22, and 23. For row 1, you're going to start by working a single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're then going to work a single crochet into each stitch all the way across. At the end of your row 1, you're going to chain 2 and turn your work. Now for row 2, we're going to work a half double crochet 2 stitches together over the first 2 stitches. So you're going to start by yarning over, inserting your hook into this first stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop. You'll have 5 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. You're then going to chain 1. You're then going to work a half double crochet 2 stitches together, this time beginning in the same stitch as your previous stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, drop a loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. Chain 1 and repeat, beginning in the same stitch as the previous stitch and finishing off in the next stitch. Chain 1, repeat that all the way across. At the end of row 2, you're going to chain 2 and turn your work. Now for row 3, you're going to begin by working a single crochet into the second chain from your hook. So there's 1, 2, into that second chain, work a single crochet. You're then going to work a single crochet into the next chain 1 space. So skip that half double crochet 2 together into the space, work a single crochet. You're going to repeat that all the way across, working single crochet stitches into each space, chain 1 space, all the way across. When you come all the way across, work your final single crochet into that starting chain 2, just into the top, chain 2 once again, and turn your work. Now that's all there is for the repeat in this pattern. For the rest of the pattern, you're going to repeat your row 2, which was your half double crochet 2 stitches together, followed by your chain 1. You're going to repeat that row 2 and row 3 for as long as you would like, and fasten off and weave in your ends, and that's all there is to this mini cone stitch. So thank you so much for joining me once again. I invite you to subscribe, and don't forget to keep checking back for more crochet stitches and crochet patterns. Until next time, happy crocheting. Bye.